Hi, this is Sherry, and I'm going to take you on a beautiful, serene meditation. And this meditation is going to be for world peace, love, and joy. Yes, our world needs a lot of that right now. And I'm just going to do a slideshow of the beautiful, beautiful scenery here in this beautiful ashram that I discovered in the Sierra Nevada mountains in Northern California. I'm here visiting my friend Bill. I was on Bill's farm filming a little bit today, and I thought I would venture out into his world and see the beauty. And oh my gosh, there's so much beauty here. So I just want you to sit and be still and watch the beautiful slideshow. Imagine yourself in these beautiful, serene environments where you can calm your mind, slow down your heart rate, appreciate the beauty that is in this world. And despite all the craziness, take a moment now, be in the present moment, and see the beauty that is around you everywhere. Yes, this place is amazingly beautiful, but I bet if you looked around in your neighborhood, you would find a lot of beauty too. So enjoy this beautiful meditation. Visual candy for you. Namaste. So how can we be at peace in a world that doesn't seem to be at peace? So much of what is going on around us is beyond our control. I kind of equate it to flying in an airplane and putting all the trust in somebody else because you have absolutely no control when you are a passenger in an airplane. You are now a passenger in this beautiful life that's going on in this world that we're in right now. You are going on this wild and crazy ride. So I want you to take a nice deep breath and a slow, long exhale. And do that a few more times. Just trying to find that piece of quietness in your being, independent of anything that's going on around you in your near proximity or so many thousands of miles away from you. Be here with your breath. Be here with your beating of your heart. Be here, just where you are, enjoying the beauty of this natural surroundings in these beautiful places that nature and man have met. You can see man's footprints and handprints in this place, can't you? Whoever created this, and I know it's been here for many decades, did it with a lot of love, a lot of creativity, a lot of inspiration, imagination. It's open to the public for all of us to enter into a place that's just a safe haven for our spirits, tuning off anything that we don't want to hear about. Guess what? We have the choice. We can tune out and we can tune in to the positive things that are going on in this world, in our life. Right now, babies are being born. People are getting engaged. People are getting married. There's laughter. There's fun. There's dancing. All that's happening right now in the world, despite all the things that we hear about, all the negative things we hear about. There's a lot of peace and love and joy around the world. So in our hearts right now, let us ask for peace in our hearts. Those of you who have a strong belief in God, you know that that brings us a lot of peace and comfort, knowing that there's a supreme force out there that is in charge. So if that speaks to you and that brings you peace, bring that into your heart. Maybe even tap your heart a little bit, assuring yourself that there is peace to be found in the midst of chaos. And then just bring into your awareness someone that you love, 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 love so much. And yes, it can be a pet. That's okay. Anything that just brings your heart so close to another living being. And you can feel that when you're in their presence. There's like an energy that you just absolutely love being around, almost like a magnet. Yeah, bring that feeling into you right now, that feeling of love, unconditional love. That feeling is always, always available to us, isn't it? We just need to take the time to kind of bring it in. Bring in the love. Take a deep breath. Bring that love in and slowly and slowly and slowly sigh. letting go of anything that no longer serves you. And guess what now? You're going to bring in the joy. Oh, the joy of life. I kind of like it because it's different than happiness. It's different from that momentary fleeting of, I'm so happy, or this is so cool, or isn't this wonderful? It's the feeling of, I'm alive. I have wonderful things happening in my life. I have wonderful people in my life. I love to do things that I love doing. If you're a creative person, you know what that joyful feeling feels when you just created something, just out of your internal being, it came out visibly. That gives you joy. Dancing with me, that gives you joy. I know it does because it gives me joy. Joy is not dependent on anything at all but what's inside of you. Can you feel your joy? Can you bring that smile to your face right now? Anything that sparks that? Maybe just a smile from your children, your grandchildren, your pet that just loves your pet so much and just rolls over and wants more and wants more. That's just joy being experienced between living beings. So in this moment of this visual meditation, we are wishing for the world our peace because we know we can experience our own peace. We give that peace to the world. And the love that we feel inside of our hearts for the world that's around us, the world that has created us, the world that we have created, the world that we love, we send out that loving feeling to the world. Every being, every living creature on the planet, send out your love. You love, love, love everything and everyone. And then the joy, the effervescent feeling of just joy. That's all I can say. Joy is just that feeling of, wow, this is what life feels like. Simple. The smile on your face, the beating of your heart, the breath that comes in and out of your body. Experience that beautiful joy. And as we send out love, peace, and joy into this world, see if you can take a little bit more inside of you. Someone right now is sending you love. Feel it. Bring it in. Let it move throughout your body. Someone is giving you peace, sending you calming thoughts, peaceful thoughts, beautiful thoughts. And you know what? There's a lot of people experiencing joy right now. They really are. And their joyous waves of beautiful energy are making their way into you. Because that's the cool thing about all these wonderful virtues and these wonderful things that we experience in our beings as a human being. Peace and love and joy can be shared. They can be absorbed into our beings and they can be shared to others. And are just one big collective peace, love, and joy to us as individuals and to this world that we love and we treasure. Be at peace, my dear yogi friends. Share your love. And always, always let your joy come into your life. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful visual meditation here in this beautiful ashram in the Sierra Nevadas. It's just such a peaceful place. It was built to be a peaceful place. So to all of you and to the world, may we all have more peace, love, and joy. Namaste.